Additive Works is a spin-off of the University of Bremen, and we are two physicists and an industrial mathematician, and that founded this company together with one colleague from the side of business administration. So we have developed a lot of algorithms and methods for laser beam melting at the university, and we came to one point where we said, okay, this is a solution that can be provided to the market so that everyone can do such simulations and pre-processing with the simulation software and not just doing research with this kind of software. The idea is to have a very easy solution where you just give the CAD to the software system and you end up with a physical part from the machine. So it's also a lot about automation of the workflow of pre-processing and doing this job first time right. Laser beam melting is a welding process, and we have all these effects we also see in welding processes. So we have contraction, we get residual stresses, we have material damage like plastic strain formation, and this needs to be solved by taking the physics into account and not only the geometry. Current approaches only use the geometry as input data to create, for example, support structures, but we will use the physical simulation to do that. EOS is a very important partner for us because to do good simulations, the key is always to know about material and process. And EOS is the expert of materials and processes because they're building this process. So for the future, I see a lot of upcoming solutions that are much easier than the state of the art, and this, the benefit of bringing process and simulation together will also change how AM or metal AM build jobs will be processed in the future.